Abha and Beena are partners in a firm sharing profit and loss in a ratio of 2:1. The balance sheet as on 31/3/2017 was as under. Balance sheet, capital, Abha, Beena, general reserve. What will do for general reserve? Distribute between partners. Stick करके bracket में लिख दो 2:1. Workman compensation reserve distributed between partners. Investment fluctuation reserve distribute between partners. Then creditors, bills payable, goodwill. We have old goodwill which will distribute between partners. Land and building, machinery, stock, debtor, BDR, investment, cash bank, advertisement, campaign expense. Again distributed between partners. Like the 2:1. Rushil will bring 1 lakh as his capital and 24,000 as goodwill in cash. Land and building take, machinery take, debtors take. New profit sharing ratio of all three partners is to be kept as 2:1:2. Okay, we'll use this to find the sacrifice ratio. Let's start posting. Capital by balance brought forward. $80,000, $60,000. General reserve by general reserve. 18,000, 2:1, so 12,000, 6,000. Workmen compensation reserve by workmen compensation reserve. 4,500, so 3,000, 1,500. By investment fluctuation reserve, 1,500, so 1,500. Creditors, no adjustment. 28,000. Bills payable, no adjustment, outer column, 12,000. Goodwill distributed between partners. Write the entry. इसको डेबिट करेंगे आभा एंड बीना. लिखो आभास कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट, आभास कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट, बीना's capital account debit to goodwill. 18,000. So Abha's capital account will be debited by 12,000 and Beena by 6,000. To goodwill. Abha 12,000 and Beena 6,000. Land and building, inner column 72,000. Machinery, inner column 40,000. Stock, no adjustment, outer column 36,000. Debtors 24,000. Minus bad debt reserve, in bracket we write 2,000. Investment, $8,000. Cash and bank, to balance brought forward, 2,000. Advertisement campaign expenditure, we have to distribute between partners. It's a loss, so do advertisement campaign expenditure 2:1. So 4,000, 2,000. हो गया सबका यहाँ तक? Okay. Rushil will bring 1 lakh as his capital and 24,000 as goodwill in cash. What's the journal entry? Cash account debit 1,24,000 to Rushil's capital account credit 1 lakh and to premium for goodwill account credit 24,000. Write the entry. Cash account debit 1,24,000 to Rushil capital account 1 lakh to premium for goodwill 24,000. Let's do the posting. Cash account debit to Rushil's capital account 1 lakh to premium for goodwill 24,000. Second effect, buy cash / bank account Rushil 1 lakh. Find the sacrifice ratio now. New ratio is 2:1:2. Find the sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio is also 2:1. Write the entry. Premium for goodwill account debit. Premium for goodwill account debit 24,000. Premium for goodwill account debit 24,000. 2. Abha's capital account 16,000 and to Beena's capital account 8,000. इसमें एंट्री के नीचे ब्रैकेट में लिखो sacrifice ratio. Let's do the posting. By premium for goodwill, we give credit to Abha 16,000 and Beena 8,000. Next, value of land and building is to be increased by 17,000. So let's do this. Thus increase or revaluation 17,000, 89,000. Machinery decreased by 32,000 minus revaluation 8,000, 32,000. To machinery. Provision for bad debt is to be kept at 10% on debtors. Now 10% is 2,400. Already 2,000 is there, so plus 400. So 2,400, 21,600. How much will record in revaluation account? Only 400 to bad debt reserve. Provision for outstanding electricity is to be made at 1100. So 2. Provision for outstanding electricity 1100. Second effect. Outstanding $1100. New profit sharing ratio. We have already taken care of it. Check if we have done everything. Check the two effects. If all done, let's start closing. सबसे पहले क्या close करेंगे हम? Revaluation account. Let's close revaluation account. 2. Partners capital account. 9,500. So 7,500. Who gets this money? Which partners? Old partners in old ratio. So ABA 5,000 and BINA 2,000. By revaluation account. Let's balance it. To balance, carry forward. Like 101. What? 70,500. Rushil 1 lakh. Transfer it. Capital. ABA. Veena. Rushil. Balance cash. $1,26,000. Transfer it. $312,600.